It's Obi Yodi back in Yodiville, starting out with a visitor from ancient times. Here comes a wild train ride. Now, everyone should know that parachuting from buildings is not something that you should be doing. Wow! Okay, better than a barrel of monkeys is a tub of ferrets. Do you ever have one of those frustrating days? You know, it's not good to interrupt someone while they're eating. So better not do it. Well, it's time to pack up and finish the video. See you later. Bye.